Can a cordless spot cleaner really pack a punch? The BISSELL Little Green Cordless Smart Mix aims to prove it can, and honestly, it's surprisingly impressive. This isn't your grandma's carpet cleaner. It's a grab-and-go stain buster designed for modern messes. First off, the cordless design is a game-changer. No more wrestling with tangled cords while trying to reach that rogue coffee stain on the stairs. It's genuinely liberating to just pick it up and go. The 25V lithium-ion battery powers a 165W motor, which translates to some serious suction. BISSELL claims up to 20 minutes of runtime in turbo mode and 35 minutes in eco mode. In real-world use, those numbers seem pretty accurate. Turbo mode is where the magic happens for tough stains, while eco mode is perfect for lighter touch-ups and extending the battery life. The Smart Mix technology is another clever feature. It automatically mixes the formula and water, taking the guesswork out of the equation. And speaking of formula, the Little Green Pro Oxy Spot and Stain Super Concentrate pouches are super convenient. Each box comes with 6, and they're designed to use less water and packaging, which is a nice touch for the environmentally conscious. Plus, the formula itself is pet and family safe when used as directed, which is always a relief. BISSELL also emphasizes their commitment to saving pets, with every purchase supporting the BISSELL Pet Foundation. It's always good to see a company giving back. Now, let's talk about performance. This little machine tackles stains like a champ. From muddy paw prints to spilled juice, it makes quick work of most household messes. The 2 cleaning modes are genuinely useful, allowing you to adjust the power based on the severity of the stain. It's not going to replace a full-sized carpet cleaner for deep cleaning an entire room, but for spot cleaning, it's a lifesaver. The fact that it's made in the USA with some globally sourced parts is a nice bonus. It just feels well-built and durable. Overall, the BISSELL Little Green Cordless Smart Mix is a fantastic little spot cleaner. It's powerful, convenient, and environmentally conscious. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to tackle stains on carpets, rugs, upholstery, or even your car's interior, this is definitely worth considering. It's a mighty cleaner in a mini package, and it delivers on its promise.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.